All right, welcome traders. Patrick from trading123.net, and here we are trading on Spooky Wednesday, October 1st, 2025. And the government shutdown, volatility up a little in the market, but as I've said before, our programmer has over 30 years experience, worked for NinjaTrader for many years, helped develop the NinjaTrader 8 platform, and is really good at what he does. And so any amount of volatility is not going to matter to our bot. And as you see here today, we did 6 trades for over $3,700 in profit. And no matter what the volatility, the bot did very well today. So this is a pre-market trade right before 8:30. Got an early start. I knew with the government shutdown, the market would be quite active. And in just 3 trades on 3 contracts, this got $567 for a nice start. And then we took our profits and we reset the bot and basically got some additional profits here in the same type of pattern, up and down move on 3 contracts. 372 profit, so a nice pre-market trade, and now it's time for breakfast. So one thing with our bot that we tell our members is, not to start it right at the open because that'd be foolish. There's no trend at the open. And no bot in the world is going to survive the open because it's just a bunch of orders flowing in and out and, just no direction. So we sat out, 15 minutes, started the bot when I was at the high, and then the market decided to take a plunge here, and we caught a 3-wave move down. 3 contracts, $1,000 goal. We got $997 profit, and we'll take it to the bank. So a great trade. Bot made the shorts. Trend filter kept us in the shorts. As once the market's trending down, it won't take any longs unless you shut the trend filter off. But you don't want to do that. And 1, 2, 3, boom, goal hit. And we're on our way to over $3,700 in profits. So in those 2 trades, we're up about $1,600, or 3 trades. Let's look at the next one. And here's our next trade, 702 winner. Started the bot just before 10:30, and we got an up move. And then you got your first wave up, second wave up, and then this is the third wave up for a nice run, and it was going pretty quick here and hit our first profit target nicely, and it just kept going, and I thought it wouldn't go much further, but it ran and ran, and I got out a little early. Should have just let the trail stop do the work, but didn't want to miss out on any profits, so I took my profits. But that's with the volatility up, the market is just whizzing, so you got to take them while you got them. I was watching a guy on YouTube, he's trading and he's up like $500, and he has a stop below his entry, and then it turns against him, and it goes all the way back down, and he gets taken out for like $200. I'm like, how stupid was that? These characters that say, well, I gotta let the trade play out, and then you lose? I mean, that is just stupid. So here we go, another trade just after 11 in the power hour, and the market's trending up, gets some profits, goes down, and then the down leg continues, and we take our profits with 732, and that's when we called it a day. Right after 11 o'clock time frame. Members in our Discord room did really well today also. Caught this market. And so in the afternoon I hit the gym. There wasn't really nothing going on except for the market going straight up. It just kept climbing. Yeah, the market just kept climbing up all afternoon. It was, with the government shutdown, I thought we'd be going down, but market had other ideas. So this is our last trade. And so here we caught a down move, an up move, and the volatility is starting to get a little peaker here as we get to 10 minutes before the close. And it took a short, and I thought we'd plunge down to here. But with the volatility right at this 1550 mark, we hit our first, or no, we got stopped out, so we gave some profits back. But all in all, a great day. $3,700 in profit. And here we have a couple trades from our Discord room. This Doug here, he hit 4 winners in a row. And here's another one of his trades. So, let's see, this one's mine. Power hour move for 732. This one here for 455 by Mike. So, and this one here by another trader trading the MGC micros, 10 contracts. You made $369. Very good on that trade. So that's Mike W. And then we got this guy here, Mike NQ9. And he hit for 500. So great day of trading. And here's Doug once again. Who is this one? Mike again. Little slippage here shortly after the open. He got $200 profit instead of 5. I think some news came out right here. And then Doug, he went 4 for 4 today. Goes for right around $340 goal. And he was done. He had a couple pre-market trades too. So that's our Trading 123 Discord room. Want to purchase the bot, you'll get access to it and be able to interact with all the other traders there. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and follow us on all our social media. And we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.